letting this one go. We're going down the train tracks.
Is someone respond to that bank truck robbery? I'm trying to help Bob. Bro, I'm still with Bob on this one vehicle.
You still haven't lost that vehicle?
Nope, they're off-roading right
his
now.
ass all the time.
I see the car. Just crash into a sign. Here, water.
Oh, they just sent in ravine.
Yeah, make sure you have your seatbelt on because those crazy locals,
Oh, I always do have it on.
Turn on the other side, I'm gonna go right up to the other side.
Are you able to get racing harnesses in your vehicles?
yes, but they take too long, trust me.
76.
Still on a dirt bike.
State HQ in Grapeseed, times 1, 10, 15.
Still. I'm gonna be chasing that dirt bike. We're gonna be going westbound Aliafa Road. We're going off-roading. It went straight up the mountain.
Right here?
Mountain, straight over. Yep. You see him?
C1 plus one's at the bank truck robbery. No one in sight so far.
Suspect
Oh, yeah,
wearing
car,
all
car,
black,
right
all
there,
black
right
helmet,
there.
funny
Get back
down,
in,
not
get back
funny
in.
down. All black, driving a green dirt bike.
Have one vehicle here parked beside the bank truck robbery. Hey!
Hey, buddy.
Or
Hey,
suspect, you know.
somebody's head popped, so we're just waiting for him to get back
Wait,
here.
see this green dirt bike wants to come back?
Okay.
Yeah. So how's your day going?
It's good. Cleaning up the streets.
Oh, yeah. The window's busted out. You got a repair kit?
Looks good in my eyes.
Got back window out, side windows out.
Yeah, I think the
You're alright,
city
then, huh?
definitely needs to have a tsunami here. There's some people that are definitely having visual differences, if you know what I'm saying.
Oh, no, I hear you.
So,
Like, there's some vehicles I cannot see from the PD fleet.
Oh, wow.
yeah, so.
Lots of what y'all got going on.
Not much.
It sounds like a whole lot. There he is.
There he is.
All right, come on, let's go. We gotta go.
Yeah, sometimes things like that happen. So.
Do people
No,
have
it's
into
all
a
good.
car?
One of them had a head pop.
We're going back to the city.
10th floor.
Y'all got your seatbelts on? Making sure y'all got your seatbelts. Seatbelts. You get your seatbelt on?
Oh, you're not my sweetheart.
Anyone is nearby 1007 Goldstone?
Shows in another 1080. Four-door black Buffalo Bravado.
Locked the wrong plate.
This is a little bit different system I'm used to.
We're going northeast, Joshua Road.
4814, last floor. Whoa.
Now we're gonna be heading on Major 10.
Did they had him head pop?
One is getting.
Did his head pop again? Wait.
Oh, we had a,
Oh, there's three of them?
due to where the car wouldn't turn. Yeah, so give me like 2 seconds.
Yeah, the city needs a tsunami.
Yeah. I think he had like a major headache, so give him a minute and play this fair, I guess.
300, did you break off to get gas? I'm almost out.
We're gonna be rolling here.
Airport, there should be a second another call. We're going to be continuing southbound to North Birthday, passing the U-Toll.
Secondary will always do the call-outs.
Yeah, I know.
Typically in this situation, it would be you doing the call-outs.
Yeah.
Passenger.
Continuing
Because we're
down
doubled up right now.
southbound.
And then obviously if there was an airborne unit, we would
They will
have-
take over their call outs and stuff like that.
Yep, yep, yep.
Now continuing southbound towards the city.
If there's like a motor unit, I know City Owls, and they usually take primary for the car. That's whoever's primary. Two did.
Two got ejected, they're running back to the car.
Yeah, for it.
Come on. Little love tap.
I was gonna say because like this because people have bubbles.
We made a U-turn. We're going on to the, I think, Pasadena freeway now. It's Los Santos freeway. Palomino freeway.
Palomino freeway.
Charlie 800's 10-8.
After 1080 Charlie 800. Yeah, we're already passing the gas station and supermarket over up Palomino freeway right now.
10-4, show me 10-7. My whole entire outfit's fucked again.
You're 300 plus ones in route. You're on Palomino Freeway.
Palomino freeway, southwestbound.
You're having trouble keeping up.
Might be getting off in the city by ammunition. PDM. Right down the street from PDM. Passing by ammunition. Northbound heading towards Scratch that, made a right. Left, I'm sorry. On the Stevens Boulevard, westbound. Lower power, going lower power, northbound. Making a right at the end of lower power, going coming out on the lower section where the pro box is.
Lower box.
Yeah. You want to take over calls?
You're 400 and let's start activating.
Oh, he's asking.
As long as
She was
we
asking
have
if
enough
he-
pages out, go for it.
You guys is 20.
How many agents do we have up?
Just go for it. Just go for it, man.
Lose eyes.
Negative. I still have eyes. We're up in power in the city. Nearest postal 389. Upper power, heading towards ammunition PDM, southbound. Heading to lower power, right in front of us. Take over cloud, secondary.
Yeah, boy. You know, left, we're going on to Alta Street.
See, he doesn't realize I'm one of the best drivers this city's got.
Taking, we're gonna be taking left nearest postal 105. Taking another left. Now we're gonna be heading towards Unicorn. Taking a left before Unicorn, entering Unicorn parking lot. One for 0. Under 250, now going southeastbound.
Yeah, come on. Come on, you didn't expect
Taking
that backwards.
postal 156, now northbound.
You saw me going backwards, he's probably like, oh fuck.
Passing behind Old PD. Heading towards the Legion, right? Passing in front of the bank. Entering Red Garage.
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
And we escaped that, brother.
Show us out of the chase.
So watch distance, guys. We are westbound San Andreas Ave. Gonna be making a left heading
300.
towards Digital Den. 370.
Plus one, plus another one. We're all gonna be out of the chase. Bob had a headache and decided to young into us.
Yeah, we barely got through that. I can try to keep eyes if y'all want to try to go get fresh cars.
I mean, I don't know how we're gonna get fresh cars. But, you know, our cars need to be towed.
Pokemon
Were you on the
gas.
1050? Advise, Metacore on your way.
Alright, 10-4, I'm gonna call it this time. I got the plate locked.